Hey freelancers, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another juicy video where we talk about how and where to get clients for your video editing business. In one of my previous videos, I have discussed how you can learn any skill and get into freelancing. Make sure you check it out if you haven't already, because it's very important getting the basics right before trying to find any clients. But today we'll be specifically talking about how you can land clients and all that technical stuff. So let's get started. Step 1 is choosing a market or a domain. In our case, we have chosen video editing, right? Now we'll need to figure out who needs our service. Not every business out there needs video editing. If you don't select an appropriate market, you will end up selling your services at the wrong place to businesses that don't need it. It just takes a bit of research to figure out who needs your service. For example, you can ask any videographer, production company, Instagram and YouTube creators, online course creators if they would like to get their videos edited. These are the people who are more likely to say yes than asking some restaurant or cafe. I mean, that's weird. Step 2 is to optimize your profile. Now you don't need to do some crazy portfolio website setup when you are starting out. Just put together a solid, simple LinkedIn profile, and that's more than enough. Put all your experience and a proper to the point description of what you do and the services you offer. Now with that said, we're ready to explore all the options and platforms that will actually give us clients. Number 1 is freelancing sites. Now this is something that I don't personally recommend or I personally use as of now, but if you're a beginner with no portfolio, no client testimonials, this is the only way to go. These sites like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com will be the easiest place for any beginner to get a project. You just need to be aware that most of the clients on these sites are not willing to pay very much per project, and I think that's okay because you are just starting out and will have better options to explore once you have a better portfolio, better client testimonials and experience, lots of experience. Second way to get video editing clients is to join Facebook groups where your chosen market or your niche is hanging out. Let's say you have chosen the niche of wedding films and you want to offer video editing services for wedding videos. Then you can go to Facebook and search for those groups and join them. What groups you want to search for? Simple: wedding filmmakers and videographers. You give me money, I save your editing time. Time is money, as simple as that. Now it may take a little time to build connections with these people, but once you do, it's gonna be very rewarding because they're videographers themselves and they will need to get videos edited on a regular basis, so you are going to get recurring projects. Third, we have LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn is not all about finding full-time jobs. It's a very big misconception. We call it the social media of professionals. You get to connect with various people working in different industries. The key here is to optimize your profile such that anyone can get an idea of what you are offering as soon as they look into your profile. And then if they're interested in your offerings, they're going to connect with you. As well as you can connect with other video editors or anyone in your industry to stay updated on what's going on, learn new things and a lot of stuff. But wait, it doesn't just end there. LinkedIn has a dedicated section to search for jobs where you can discover people who are actively looking to hire for your services. Fourth one, let me take a deep breath because this is my favorite one. Cold mailing it is. If you're a video editor or any freelancers out there and you are not using cold emails to reach out to people, you are missing out on new opportunities, new clients and money. Let me tell you, cold mailing is one of the most effective and one of the easiest way to drop clients. All you need is your target client's email address and then you connect with them, ask them if they need your services. Now there are several options out there to get email addresses of people you want to connect with. You can get it from LinkedIn either manually or you have tools to suck out email addresses from a bunch of LinkedIn accounts. Then there's the website of businesses you want to work out. You can simply go to the contact page and get their email address and contact with them. I personally work with YouTube entrepreneurs, so I easily get their email addresses from the about section of YouTube. I'll make a detailed video of how to get email addresses, how to write cold emails and everything related to cold emails. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that. Also make sure you like and share this video. Thanks for watching. This is me, Samimaftab signing out. Have an awesome day. Stay hydrated. Peace.